Move contacts from SIM to phone. Open the Contact app. Now tap on this three dot and tap on Settings. Under Contact Settings, tap on Move Contacts to Other Storage Location. Here, select where to move your contacts from. Select SIM and go ahead and select those contacts you want to move to your phone storage. I'm selecting all contacts. And now select where to move these contacts to. Select Phone and tap on Move. And that's it. As you can see, I've successfully transferred all of my contacts from SIM to my phone. Now if I tap on this three dot, tapping on View by Storage Location, selecting SIM. As you can see, in my SIM, I don't have any contacts. Now let's select here Phone. And as you can see, all of my contacts have been successfully transferred to my phone location.